리파가테 복신 가라가타 나야 레오파타
Sanbonan. So yeah, today I was watching into Mamelodi Sundowns playing against Magesi United. So Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Magesi United. It was nil. So first of all, I just want to say I'm just having a problem lately about electricity, and yeah, I started to watch the match available during like after some time available. So I'm gonna be speaking about some aspects of it and stuff. And so I don't want any complaints. Maybe be talking about what now 1, 2, 3, 4 happened and then you didn't talk about. I'm having an issue of electricity and I'd like to address another issue before I get to the video. Yeah, and about the Sundowns, which is why I'm not actually analyzing matches with Sundowns most of them. So currently I'm actually like play staying at rest, yabo. And the thing is that nobody offer like Sundowns where I stay. I get more offer Sundowns. So it appears with Magla like Sundowns, people they be wanting to watch like Liverpool for instance today about from play Liverpool and stuff. So I had like some hard time with Bellingham and stuff. And lucky enough in Bengali because it gets available via so I just wanted to bring that available before like everything else and stuff. So yeah, I watched the game. I started to watch the game when it was nil, and then Litlako somehow Iloa and the boy hasn't been getting a chance available like the longest time, and I'm really grateful for him. It was first time after like I think it was first time, not after a long time. It was first time I saw Olitlako and Mabenabo, two of my Mamelodi Sundowns exciting youngsters playing available on the pitch, but bele substitute available Olitlako bafaka unto u Thembazwane umshishi and yeah, man. I feel like it is just difficult for Mshish at this point. Like, I feel like it is difficult. I feel like people will be speaking about leave the football before it leaves you, whatsoever. But I just hope as a country we just support him. We'll be there for him. We'll motivate. Don't be speaking about negative things on the internet about leave football before it leaves you and stuff. And I hopefully like he'll recover because as much as always we have quality South Africa who can do something World Cup about, but he's somebody who Mzansi was built around him. Ngisengikhuluma like nge-squad about so this issue vele yama injuries and stuff. I feel like it is actually killing him because by I'm substituted in after injury and then waphinde waphuma again due to injury. So I hope the guy recovers and it is not a thing which they shouldn't blame wara because they are supposed because like as adlale next day World Cup he's supposed to get a game time. He's supposed to be like the match fitness about and he's an important player because most people the squad with 6,000 right now. There's none like I was saying like players which like look dangerous. Like my especially on that number 10 position. Always I'm one of the people that have been favoring Mbappe. I talk about the boy has to be given a chance even on the game they drew against the Pirates and lost. My penalties, first leg, the second leg, yeah, MTN8 I was speaking about. They should actually like give Yabon Mbappe an opportunity to actually like start at least number 10 available. But yeah, man, let me see. It's like I'm recording stress. So yeah, man, I just hope it's like I recover. Still need Umshi. She's just like I think he's a face of like South African football, according to me. She's just a face of the boy has been playing, not even a boy, like the uncle has been playing for the longest time, and I hope we retire in a great way. Retire because of my injuries and stuff. And yeah, I hope we are praying for him. Will be on my prayers. Yeah, so yeah, second half on the game, I saw Mamelodi Sundowns doing substitutes available after a long time. Coach Sundowns started to do something ends like his sense, according to me, yellow farmer substitute, and then he got something out of the substitute because like first up they got like a red card about in my case, and I didn't understand that much, even though I didn't watch really the full first half available, but I didn't understand that much what was the problem, like banga dominate the match, banga kill back in the match, and then second half they did that thing when they introduced a substituting. Who's this guy? Umaseko is one of my players. I was like, nah, he's overrated. I'm still not convinced also about him, but today I have to give it to the boy because he actually had a good game. He was threatening on that side. He was vying and then cutting through and then pass the ball. And then there was a time many chances of which like sometimes if we call Kanjalo. And then they didn't score available. And then another thing I just love to give like a credit, not actually credit, but yeah, I'll just love to give a credit to Marcus the way they played. They didn't sit deep. About it wasn't a thing which nah, it is only 1-0. We don't want to humiliate ourselves. Wara. But it was a thing which if they already scored you, you can't be defending anything because a loss will be a loss. Equal difference is there's still a long season. Equal difference ngalungiseka but a loss it is a loss. Marcus wasn't staying that deep. Awiz Maban attack will look like playing that deep. But for the sake which when Mamelodi Sundowns was building from the back, bangabuyele move abahlali kuyafyaba but they were putting in pressure even though they were not putting with maximum pressure because bafile like a player, file like but it's even felt like they were just in front doing nothing. It was like copy ball some other time. But I just love the way to be open. I would see, and obvious they were going to be open again. Into into a red card available. So yeah, just love to give credit because of that. And then I like to give credit to Ban Umuren available. Umuren is one of the like I think he's the quickest player. I don't know between him and Ashito players, but there was a time when he was the quickest player available. QPSL, but looking at the age right now, I don't think the legs are saving him that much like before. I don't know. I have commented my face and have like your opinion down with him available, but the boy had like a assist vele I2 and then Ikram Renas he was even supposed to get like a man of the match somehow but due to like Ikram Renas the only striker for me like the only striker that we have is South African that like Pensela South African striker but it is only Ikram Renas the rest I don't think they are that like he's the guy who's mobile who can go down collectively ball he can he's a striker is good too sometimes you just gonna need him ukuthi adlale as like center forward which means ukuthi there's a striker and then there's a center forward where center forward is more good like a collect and then there's a type of a striker like siphinde sibe mobile find him kuma-wingers so find it's not that guy ohlala available sense and then also like we like finishing the technique it is actually brilliant. He's like the best striker for me available. Lana Willemsons, a South African striker. Not even a South African striker, even if I include available the players that come from international. Fly we've seen, but we haven't seen that much from like Ama players available because yeah, we haven't seen that much if I'm being honest. So I can't be just be biased. So I have to keep it to him because that guy is just lethal. It is he's on like he is having 3 goals about going to win kwi-league already this season I think 6 goals already since le season leqalile Nedbank i-MTN una-3 goals that side and then kwi-league already yabo una-3 which means ukuthi like una-6 out of like wonke lama-games lawa adlale and he hasn't played ama-games that much so I'll just like to give like credit to the boy so yeah, it was Maseko and then they introduced Mapena and then Mapena I feel like with Mapena it is the same situation like Mfundo Vilakazi yabo I feel like the boys haven't been matured that much, which like they are not ready to be put in available. I think it is just the system. I would have a comment. It is just the system that the coaches are just using about. But it is somehow feels like they are not prepared. Because Mabang in the grounding, they look bad. They are good, but of them they are exciting. But I feel like Lento Legut was just making them a master boys already when niggas like credit to nah, it's just a youngster, it whatever. You're like in the babbleless because it's the thing they make mistakes available because of Lento Legutina, the master boys, fans favorites it in about the opposite teams fans about they be like they'll destroy them. That's the thing. They're not like Hurry, they'll destroy them. We wait even like Hurry level. If it wasn't introduced available in the right time, introducing available, I feel like my friends they could have like destroyed him, manga, like something bad, stuff. Nana. So yeah, it is just that thing. So yeah, my man of the match, it is Ikram Renas, striker, best striker with PSL currently as a whole available with PSL. And I would also like South Africa. So when it comes to South Africa, between him and Line Foster, yeah, and Line Foster, by the way, he was playing today. And I wish could tell that I got but I didn't watch that game because he was playing very same time available. So between him, Nah, I have to give it to Line first. But Urenas is actually good also. So yeah, I'll give it the credit to Urenas. So yeah, that is much I could cover. That is on my mind available. Sometimes dominating, obviously. And in my case, they were open, but they were still trying to find the goal. And then Ikram Renas scored. It was issue of Utembazwane. So yeah, it is pretty that much. And yeah, I hope I'll be able to analyze most of my games. I've always sometimes when ngadlala amanye ama-team wangale ku-Premier, because I'm not the biggest fan, even though like I'm a Chelsea fan, but I'm not the biggest fan of like Bola Langale that much, unless like UCN. So yeah, I hope what I'll be able to analyze and then I'll case will more behave available to be a good thing. So yeah, thank you Bafethi and Tan. I really appreciate you all. Let's get right now to 1,000 subscribers. That will mean the most. And please Bafethi, like the video and comment also. When I sub comment also reply, I'll be reading my comments. I really appreciate it if you subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 and thank you.